Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to lock your iPhone without the power button. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone 11 is the iOS 18.3.1. Now to lock your iPhone without the power button, just open the settings app. Now from here scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now from here, scroll down and tap on touch. Now from here, tap on assistive touch. Now from here, just enable assistive touch. Now from here, once you enable this option, a small ball will appear on the screen. Now to lock your iPhone without using the power button, just tap on this ball. Now from here, tap on device. Now from here, tap on lock screen. Now as you can see, we have successfully locked our iPhone without using the power button. Just like that. Also, there is another method to lock your iPhone without using the power button. Now, for that option, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just open the App Store. Now from here, just search shortcuts. Now from here, make sure you install this app. Now as you can see, I have already installed this app on my iPhone. Now if you have not installed it yet, just tap on install, and once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now from here, once you open the shortcuts app, make sure you are on shortcuts. Now from here, tap on the plus icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, in the search bar, just search lock screen. Now from here, tap on lock screen. Now from here, tap on this arrow icon at the top of your smartphone. Now from here, tap on rename. Now from here, you can rename this shortcut as you like. Now currently it is named lock screen, so I will not change it. So tap on done. Now from here, just tap on this arrow one more time. Now from here, tap on choose icon. Now from here, you can choose the icon you like. Now in the search bar, I will search lock, and I will use the icon of a lock, just like that. Now from here, you can choose the color you like, just like that. Now once you have done that, now from here, just tap on done. Now from here, tap on done one more time. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just swipe down from the upper right corner on the display to open the control center. Now from here, just tap and hold on the empty space and tap on add a control. Now from here, in the search bar section, just search shortcuts. Now from here, tap on this shortcut icon. Now from here, tap on choose. Now from here, just select the lock screen shortcut we just created. Now from here, just tap on the empty space on your screen. Now from here, you can resize the icon as you like, just like that. Now from here, just tap on the empty space one more time to confirm your action. Now from here, if you tap on this icon, it will lock your screen without using the power button, just like that. And this is how you can lock your iPhone without using the power button. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.